Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a fresh and flavorful meal prep recipe to show you. I'm going to make an orange and sesame chicken salad. It's full of flavor, it's super fresh, and if you've got yourself some of these Luvele vacuum canisters, then you can seal in that freshness and it'll stay nice and crispy for longer. First, let's prepare some chicken. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together 1/4 teaspoon of white ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Slice 2 large skinless chicken breast fillets into strips and add this to the marinade. Coat the chicken well and then heat up a frying pan. Add a little sesame oil and cook the chicken until golden. Remove this from the heat and then set aside to cool while you prepare the salad ingredients. For the salad, prepare 5 to 6 cups of green cabbage finely shredded, 2 oranges peeled and cut into segments, 1 diced avocado, 5 spring onions chopped including the green part, 2 to 3 bird's eye chilies with the seeds removed and finely chopped, 1 handful of fresh coriander, 1/3 cup of toasted slivered almonds, and 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. To portion out the salad, layer each ingredient evenly into 4 vacuum canisters. Once the chicken has cooled, you can portion it out evenly on top of the salad. For the dressing, you'll need the zest and juice of 1 orange, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, a 2 centimeter piece of fresh ginger finely grated, 2 garlic cloves grated, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Mix this all together in a small jar or whisk it up in a small bowl. You can keep this dressing separate to the salad in an airtight container and pour some over the salad when you're ready to eat it. When you're ready to eat the salad, toss everything together with the dressing and enjoy straight away. Meal prep is a great idea in theory, but it can be hard to come up with ideas for recipes to make. Hopefully you can add this one to your repertoire, and if you do give it a go, then let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if you want to see more videos coming up, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.